Polio Summit, not including the forthcoming Polio Plus Society induction and our last hurrah for polio. But for this year, for the monthly meeting, we have 2 more monthly meetings left, and I really pray that we get 100% attendance. So far, it hasn't been that in the last meetings, but I just like to welcome our, how do you call this, one good students. If this was a class, a good students with conduct A for attending our monthly meetings. And if I may say, Rotarians are busy persons, and just want you to say that I came in all the way from the airport just to catch this Zoom meeting. So I'd like to share the polio updates, which I shared at the TRF meeting the other week. So Tope, please. We were supposed to meet earlier, but the TRF team moved their meeting, so we meet after the TRF. So Tope, please start sharing my screen. Andiyan ba si Tope?
Si Tope,
Andyan.
andyan.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So,
I'd like
I'd
to,
like to,
I can hear myself lagi. Tope, are you ready? Tope, tingog ko no.
yes.
Okay, you're ready now, right? Okay, I'd like to show the first slide. It's just a reminder that last time I said it's crunch time. This time, it's crunchier time now. 2 months to go. So I'm very good in the language, crunch, crunchier. Next month will be the crunchiest. So we hope by next month, the crunchiest, we will really hit the all-time high. So this month, it's still the crunchier time now with 2 months to go. So we'd like now to present the following. Next slide, Pe. Just a reminder that in 1985, there were 125 countries with 350,000 cases. Now, in 2024, with two countries, two endemic countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan, we have 4 cases. And supposedly, I was to go to Pakistan to be the RIPR, but because of safety and it's a risk, so I had to cancel my RIPR stint, which was also endorsed by no less than our President Gordon McAnally. So we really made progress. Our next slide would show that, just a reminder, in 1979, then President James Bomar came to the Philippines. In 2000, the Philippines was declared polio free. Now, one of the country that's most populated is India, and it was declared polio-free in 2014. Now, in 2020, Africa was declared polio-free. And hopefully, this little girl, we're going to put 2026, the world will be polio-free. But what needs to be done? We need to pay attention to these two roles. One is to raise awareness, which actually we're very good at. And second is to raise funds. So just take a look and try to catch, don't blink your eye, and try to catch the MOA, SM MOA, which beamed the End Polio Now logo. These were one of the top End Polio public initiative last year. It's the World Polio Day. So try to catch if you can see MOA. Nakita nyo? Did everybody see MOA? If you
Yes,
did, please click the raise hand icon. I'd like to see if you saw it. Wala akong nakitang raise hand. Ayun, si Jo nag-raise ng hand. Si Ricky nag-thumbs up. Yung iba hindi nakita. Oh my. O, so, sabihin na lang. Ayun, nag-thumbs up. So, in raising awareness, we have 2 major activities. One, we had last year, October 24, is the World Polio Day. Of course, we'll have it again this year. But what needs to be done this week, starting tomorrow, is World Immunization Week. I think we have not been remiss in sending you the emails of the World Immunization Week kit and sending you some news of this. So we want to hear from you. We want to receive articles. We want to receive photos, which we will feature in our newsletter. What did you do for World Immunization Week? Be it raising awareness and raising funds. Just to start the ball rolling, I'm going to donate $200 to polio tomorrow. So that's one way of saying, oh, this is how I'll celebrate World Immunization Week. Now, another raise awareness to polio, which has been ongoing, is this online forum with RI President-elect Stephanie Erchik and John Yuko. It helped Rotary strike out polio. We have been sending this poster, and again, we will repost to get details of this event. Now, part of the advocacies is to get the local governments involved. And lately, with the presence of RI President-elect Stephanie Erchik, she visited India and Pakistan. Please show photos of her visit to the Sindh province right after this. Next slide, Pe. Pe. Nawala na si Tope. Pe. Nawala yung slide. Nandyan si Tope, Rick.
Naman siya, Gov.
Yeah, but nawala yung slide. You know how to share it? Tope? Okay, next slide, please.
Nakat off ako kanina.
Okay, next slide. Okay, so this is one of the visit of RI President-elect Stephanie Erchik with her aide, past District Governor Tom Gump. Incidentally, it's his birthday today, so you may want to greet him in Facebook. And you will see the gentleman with the collared necktie, second to the left. That's Director, Rotary International Director Faiz. I'm supposed also to meet him in Pakistan. He's a Pakistani. The next slide would show Trustee Aziz Memon, his second to the left. He was the one who advised me not to push through with my trip, one of the advisors, because of the suicide bombing last Saturday morning. So together with Tom Gump and RI President-elect Stephanie Erchik, they visited the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And not to be left out, the next slide would show RI President-elect Stephanie Erchik with past District Governor Tom Gump and some past RI Director Rafi Garcia and some Filipinos visiting our President Bongbong Marcos. Just a reminder, we need to raise $50 million, which will be matched 2:1 by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This means we need to have $150 million. So how do we also raise this amount? Through individual contributions and to clubs that give $1,500 to polio and districts that give 20% of their DDF to polio. Please bear in mind that clubs giving $1,500 to polio and districts giving 20% of their DDF will receive a Rotary citation. Now, we will be announcing the zone citations from our end as Carla and Ricky and I are coming up with zone citations for incentives, perhaps maybe a 100% all members giving to polio of at least $10 or a 100% Polio Plus Society Club, amongst other citations on the zone or regional level. So please, because it's April, I know for a fact that there are remaining DDFs. So it will take a while before some of the grants, global grants, will be approved. And there is no carryover of the global grant in the next Rotary year. It will go straight to World Fund. So sayang naman, bigay na natin sa polio. So ask your DRFC kung magkano pa ang natira. Otherwise, by next week, I am going again to get all your district fund analysis para makita nyo magkano na lang natira sa DDF. Yun ang sisingilin nyo sa DRFC nyo. Then the Polio Plus Society. We have never been this busy in promoting the Polio Plus Society, where one contributes annually to the polio fund until the world is polio certified polio free. Now, come May 16, we will have a virtual mass induction with no less than past RI trustee, first female trustee of the Rotary Foundation, and past RI Vice President Brenda Cresse. Hindi lang siya basta-basta. She has clout in Rotary International, and she readily said yes to induct our new Polio Plus Society members. So kindly coordinate with Carla as to the districts who want to join this mass induction, whether you're 10, because we need to prepare the slides with your name, and we know we need to do the mass induction flawlessly. Okay, a gentle reminder, sometimes somehow this helps in encouraging one to give to polio, especially Rotary actors or even Rotarian. We have we have not taken into consideration the cost of a Starbucks grande glass or a milk tea. But if you look at it, if you spend 300 pesos every week and you drink Starbucks every week, so that's 4 Starbucks in a month. That's 1,200. And if you drink for 1 year, how much would that be? 1,200 times 12. Pwede naman magbigay lang sa polio. So if you want $10 for the clubs to be 100% in club, at least sila magbigay kahit $10, which is 10 times 56, that's 560 pesos. Talunin pa sila ng Rotary actors who can do that. So I think Rotarians can do much, much better. Now I'd like to show you the figure, which actually I posted in our chat group as of April 14. So you will see how you stand. If you have given more by now, then that we can discuss that in our next meeting. But this is how you stand. And so far, only District 3860 has given to the DDF, and it is the 20% of its DDF to polio. And we're hoping other districts will give the same or part of the amount of the DDF. The next slide would show how you fare compared to the period last year. So April tayo ngayon, last April, how did you do? Nakikita mo there are colors green and red, parang Christmas. So gusto natin focus on the green arrow. So congratulations, District 3770, District 3780, and District 3860. You have done much better this period compared to the period last year. But I know that the others will also try their best to do better. So malapit na, some have a very few dollars to match last year's performance. But let's see next month. I'm sure we'll have more green arrows. And the next slide is very important. As you know, last year was all-time high in polio giving. Now, we don't want this year to bring our rating down. So this is the amount needed in red to be at par to the amount that you've given to polio end of last year, June 30, 2023. So for example, District 3770, end of last year, June, you gave 50,503. Ngayon, 40,000 na. But you have 2 months to go before the end of the year, and you need to at least give 10,000 plus to be at par with what you gave last year. Wala pa kayong DDF, so I know kayang-kaya ito. Now, 3780, on the other hand, tells us another story. They've done better, but as much as I'd like to say very good, 50,000 of this 57,000 was from one person. So what does that mean? 7,000 came from the base of District 3780. We want more people to be involved in giving to polio. So there are stories behind why some districts are really high in giving, but apparently they rely on 1 or 2%. So let's do better. And it will show in the next slide, which is a check graph. You know, a check graph, it should be going all the way up. So in 2023, it was all-time high. We raised 1.1 million. So for the district polio coordinators who were with us last year, you know how hard we worked to let this happen last year. And I know for this year, you will work as hard or even harder. Now, we need to stay engaged until the end. So how do we stay engaged? We ensure we reach our 50 million fundraising goal and fully leverage the Gates Foundation 2:1 match. We create or we join a Polio Plus society. We sustain Rotary's and the world commitment to polio eradication through awareness raising activities. And we leverage World Polio Day and World Immunization Week to highlight Rotary's role in polio eradication. Incidentally, I'm forwarding an article which was also forwarded by Robert Hall, our Vice President for End Polio Countdown to History, which we want you to share to the Rotarians in your district, and hopefully it can be featured in local newspapers in your area. Now, Rotary launched the Polio Plus in 1985. Just to let you know, one child is paralyzed every 2 minutes. So again, if we look back to the previous slide on we made progress, we have arrested the number of children paralyzed every 2 minutes. So congratulations, Rotary. Rotarians can be proud. Why can we be proud? 3 billion children have been immunized. More than 20 million people are walking today who would otherwise have been paralyzed. 1.5 million lives were saved. 20 million volunteers mobilized. 2 of the 3 wild virus types eradicated. 5 of 6 regions of the world became polio-free. The number of cases reduced by 99.9%. Unequaled infrastructure and experience useful beyond polio eradication initiative for polio vaccination. Now, please be reminded that the Polio Plus program launched in the GPEI rather launched in 1988 had the membership of the following: World Health Organization, UNICEF, CDC, which is the Center for Disease and Prevention, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Gavi, which is the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization, governments of the world, and I will say the last, of course, Rotary International. These are the members of the Global Polio Eradication. And be proud. You don't see lions. You don't see Kiwanis. You don't see Jaycees. What else? It's Rotary. And now may I present, just to remind you, our international leaders for polio, of course, our Rotary International President, Gordon McAnally, and the trustee chair for the Rotary Foundation, Barry Racine. Our International Polio Plus coordinating committees, and our chair is Mike McGovern. Past RI President John Germ is the vice chair for IPPC, but he's the chair for the End Polio Now Countdown to History. Past RI Vice Chair, Vice President, Past RI Director Robert Hall is the Vice Chair for the End Polio Now Countdown to History. Carol Pandak is our IPPC Director. Brenda Cressay is the Chair for the Global Polio Plus Society Committee. Claire Monroe is our End Polio Now Staff and Fund Specialist. So this is now. Whoever will continue next year, we will have this next slide to show who we will work with in the international level. Our Rotary International president then, or president-elect, is Stephanie Urchik, and our trustee chair-elect is past RI President Mark Maloney. We keep those in the IPPC and the End Polio Countdown to History team. The next slide will show Zone 10A core team. So at present, you see myself and our Deputy End Polio Now Coordinator Ricky and our Polio Plus Society Coordinator Carla Espinosa. I stepped down after serving the district, after serving Zone 10A as End Polio Now Coordinator. So next year, our End Polio Now Coordinator will be, next slide, will be past District Governor Marilu Ko of District 3800. And she really asked Ricky to be Deputy and Polio Now Coordinator and Carla to continue being the Polio Plus Society Coordinator. I will stay as advisor, but the major roles will be done by the new core team. So please please save the dates. One is on May 16. This is our Polio Plus Society mass induction, 6 p.m. Philippine time. Carla is the overall coordinator for this. And again, maybe we should set a deadline on the district that will participate here so we can prepare the necessary slides. And on June 6th, this is our last hurrah. Now, if you recall, we had a polio summit in October. There were 2 district governors who did not attend. Mind you, the RI senior leaders know who they are and remember them and ask why. Now, this will be a closed group. It's not open to all, but only for the district governors, DRFCs, district polio coordinators, DPPSCs, and the EPN core and the TRF core, meaning our RRFC, Gov Penny, or EMGA, Gov June. So just as with the senior leaders, we will have a dialogue. And we hope you can convince your district governor to be present. We have what? I'm informing everyone already, or we informed everyone more than a month. It's a month notice. So having said that, for those going to Singapore, I'd like to invite you to join us on May 28th. We will have Together We End Polio, and I'm very humbled to be amongst these distinguished and esteemed leaders. My role here is not to sing and dance, but my role here is to present the awardees for the International Rotary Service Awards. So those who will be attending the convention will be awarded by our RI senior leaders. And just to share with you this recent video on polio, please take a look. The audio is not good. Tamoy na dunog, Rick?
Walay audio.
Pero walay audio.
Sige na ako internet ha. Gob.
Okay. So pretend na lang. This is supposed to say tigding 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 tigding. Tigding 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 tigding. Yan yung ito yung background music niya. Never mind. I will share the video to all of you para naman ma-share nyo sa district. But the text says a lot on the number of people vaccinated and all this data, the members of the GPEI, and where do we go? Again, do we want a polio-free world by 2026? That's our goal. And we need to keep the promise to the children of the world to make the world polio-free. Ting 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 ting. Yun yung sound niyan. So maganda actually yung video nito, and I'll share it with you. Now, what inspires you? For me, my grandchildren inspire me. Yung mga anak ko, matanda na, 38 years old at saka 34 years old. Okay na yan. Eto talaga yung makakaantig. They inspire me. Meet my grandchildren, Frankie and Lila, 3 years old, and Mio, 9 months old. And last month, Mio went to have his polio vaccine. Though he can't talk, he said, I get my polio vaccine. I will not have polio.
Right.
Sabi niya, thank you to
Yeah.
mommy, daddy, lola, and thank you, Rotary. Please end polio now. Yun ang sabi ng apo ko. So, in closing, we'd
This
like
is
to
the
play this video.
world. I am the hope of my nation. I am tomorrow's people. I am the new inspiration. To be to you. We've got a message to bring to
Actually, maganda din ang music nito. Hindi ko lang na-memorize. Otherwise, mag-acapella sana ako. Kaya ni Carla yan. Kaya din ni Ricky. Ayan. In closing, ito ang nasasabi ng mga batang tumatakbo. End polio now! Together we can make history. Together we will end polio now. So, pagbalik nyo sa district, remember Rotary's top priority is to end polio now. Sometimes we deliberate yung membership daw. Yes, membership is the internal priority. But our external priority is to end polio. Together, we will fulfill our promise to the children to make the world polio-free. So, the next 2 slides ends my presentation, where I will remind everyone, together we will end polio. And maraming salamat for taking time to listen to this presentation. And I'll share this with you. Hopefully, you may want to tweak it and localize, but please give presentations in your district at this time. So back to you, Ricky.
Thank you so much, Gomean, for the very informative and then inspired presentation. So to all the district who have achieved their goals, so congratulations, and to all and to other district that need to increase their contribution. So we only have 2 months to go. So we believe that you can increase your donation or contribution to Polio Plus Fund. So thank you, Gugmean, for the very nice presentation. So mga yumigob sa mag-asmi sa video go para ma-post din namin sa district. So again, maraming salamat, Gugmean. Now it's time to report the polio report from district polio coordinators. So I would like to start from district polio coordinator from district 3770, Maria Lourdes Capili.
Hello, good evening once again. For our district, may I have my report, please? Anyway, ayan. For our district 3770, we have the number of Rotary clubs. We have 84. For the number of Rotarians, we have 2,596. And the number of clubs giving to polio is 82. 82. Actually, it's already 84. 100% club giving na po 1,500 giving clubs is 7. I still have to increase that before the term ends. And then number of 1,000 giving individual is 3. The number of Polio Plus Society members is 173, but I have 2 pledges. And then the total cash contribution is $40,025. no amount of DDF is given yet, but the governor is still assessing what amount to give. But definitely he will give some of it. And for the cash contribution plus DDF, it's still 40,025. By this coming week for the World Immunization Day, World Immunization Week, we plan to connect with the local health center to assist them in promoting this activity for vaccination, for immunization week. And so we hope to increase our contributions before the last 2 month ends. Thank you so much for the encouragement as always, Gobme and DPC Ricky. Thank you so much for inspiring all of us in this goal of ours to end polio now. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Thank you, Lou, and congratulations for being one of the Regional Service Award for a polio-free world. Yay! One of the three awardees from the Philippines among 64 awardees all over the world. Mantakin mo, all over the world.
Thank you for the nomination and for the endorsement, Gobme. And thank you so
We're
much.
very proud for the hard work you've done since the first year. And if you saw, well, I'm sure you would have understood your data with 2 months left. Kayanin nyo, konti na lang, ilang clubs na lang kulang maging 1.5 per, one club na lang. And then ilang amount na lang kulang, wala pa DDF. Kayang-kaya, you will break last year's record. And may the award inspire you more. So may the force be with
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Lou.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, classmate Lou. Congratulations, no, once again. So next to report is from District 3790. We have Past President Annalisa Chan.
Good evening po. Ang report is with DPC Lily Canlas. But anyway, we are like sa District 3790, we have 100 clubs. And parang nakikita ko long way to go sa ginawa po ni PPSC Carla Espinosa of last year. Cause number 1 siya. Parang pinahihirapan po kami ng district governor namin. But the last time I heard from our district governor sa polio banquet natin was, since nasa 47,000 pa lang po kami, parang pinapahabol kami sa ginawa po ni PPSC Carla. Mukhang mahirap po abutin, but we'll try our best. So I'll see to it na kausapin lahat ng president for that $10 all giving. Lahat ng clubs, I just hope they listen. Yun lang po. I can't report more because it's with DPC Lily Canlas. Thank you.
Thank you, Annalisa. I feel you and I understand the dynamics in your district, in fact. And I just hope because of last year's performance by your district, 20% of the DDF was given to polio. And it did not come one time. It came in tranches. First tranche and then second. Nung nalaman nila Gov. Ana, wala ng global grant. Hindi na magamit yung funds sa global grant. Then she gave everything to polio, which actually amounted to the 20% of the DDF. So it's not a lump sum giving. Nagkataon maganda ang pagka-divide that your NPolio team addressed the global grants as well. So hopefully, Gov. Francis and the team, I understand the DRFC is Gov. Jess Sama. Sana magsama-sama kayo para mag-review sa data and the remaining DDF. Kasi meron pa kayong remaining DDF actually. Remember nakikita ba ni Annalisa yung Carl? Yung district fund analysis because my email is only addressed to the DRFCs and DPCs. So maybe if I have the district fund analysis, paki-share sa Polio Plus Society, District Polio Plus Society coordinator, so they will have an idea that they can help, and also ask the members to be Polio Plus Society members. Kung meron man gusto magpa-induct, pakisabi lang kay Carla so we can include your district this May 16. The same with you, Lou. Kung meron ka, alam mo naman, tayo, di ba, last year sa first time, ilan lang. Kahit ano
We
ba?
have po. We have. We will join Miss Carla.
Sige, sige. Thank you. So 3770 is on board and 3790. 3790 kaya on board, Ann? Sa Polio Plus Society? Okay. Good, good. Thank you, Ann. Next, back to you, Rick.
Thank you, PPSC, DPPSC Annalisa, so for your report. And now, before we go to District 3800, may we go back to District 3780. I will be the one to read the report of DPC Arnel Abrenica. So, Tope, can you show the slide, a report from District 3780, please? Thank you, Tops. Yeah, District 3780. And thank you, Tops, for District 3780 under District Polio Coordinator Arnel Abrenica. So this is their monthly Polio Plus report for the month of April 2024. Number of Rotary clubs is 105. They have increased to 107. Number of Rotarians is 2,685. Now they have increased to 2,724. Number of clubs giving to Polio Plus is 13. Now they have increased to 17. Number of $1,500 giving clubs are the same. They have 2. Number of 1,000 giving individual, the same, and they have 6. They have no Polio Plus Society members reported. For their class contribution, they have a total of $58,335.28. So, Gumian, this is the report of DPC Arnel Abrenica from District 3780.
Ricky, thank you. Kindly relay to Arnel. Well, we appreciate that he sends his reports, but he's always absent because we cannot explain to him what he needs to do. So nevertheless, I'd like to relay. Ay, pakikita mo lang yung slide, pe. I'd like to explain it to Ricky. Their DISCON was held recently, and their RIPR is Director Jennifer Scott. Jennifer Scott is my head of the team of the region for polio. No, so it's not nice kasi nag-chat kami, sabi ni Jennifer, they promised to give. As I mentioned, yung cash contribution of 58,000, 50,000 came from one person, past District Governor Johnny Yu. So that is not an indication that everybody gave. O kung sabihin mo, all clubs gave to polio. They just said, okay, itong club gave what, 50? We want individuals giving para ma-feel nila. Now, Polio Plus Society members, until now, wala. Kahit yung governor, wala. Kahit yung DRFC and DPC, wala. Hindi sila nag-continue. So, it doesn't make sense. So, this report needs to be better by next month. So, pakisabi na lang, Rick, and pakitanong kung meron sasali sa Polio Plus Society. And ano na lang, pahabol, para ma-report ko sa RIPR nila. Yun. Baka incentive yan. Imagine, 0 Polio Plus Society members kahit continuing, hindi na-reflect. Wala governor. Well, diba si Doc Irene, ano niya yan? Baby niyang Polio Plus Society.
Yeah, siya ang next incoming DPC.
Paano na ngayon? Bakit hindi kinontinue ni Arnel? What happened last year? Meron pa siyang continuing Polio Plus Society. So yun ang mga tanong ko ngayon. Tapos meron pa silang mga Rotarians na malapit kay Gordon Macanali from this district. So dapat magpakitang gilas sila. I expect more from this district. Thank
Yes,
you.
Gob. I will relay it to DPC Arnel, Gob.
All right.
Thank you, Gob. Now, let's move to District 3800. In behalf of DPC Machermoso, we have Polio Plus Society Coordinator, District Polio Plus Society Coordinator Joe Bernabe.
Good evening again. This is my report for my district 3800. For the number of Rotary clubs last June 30, 2023, it's 108. And for April 21, 2024, it's 107. So nabawasan kami ng isa. Number of Rotarians, nag-increase naman from 2,940, it increased to 3,164. Number of clubs giving to polio, 108. As of this time, 74. Number of 1,500 giving clubs, it's 39 last 2023, and now it's 16. Number of 1,000 giving individuals, it's 20. Now it's 7. A number of Polio Plus Society members, 400. It increased to 430. Total cash contribution is last year is $272,000, 794. For this year, 66,790.88. Amount of DDF given to polio last year is 50,000. Now, wala pa po kaming napapag-agreehan. For the cash contribution plus DDF last year, it's 322,794. And now it's 66,790.88. Nakita ko sa report kanina na last year ang total contribution is 322,794. So kulang na kulang pa kami ng mga about 200 plus. Pero I'm doing all my effort kasi marami pa rin po talagang hindi pa nakabigay, especially sa mga governor namin na nag-promise. So hopefully ma-fulfill yan hanggang last hura ng June 6. Thank you very much. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Joe. Again, si Joe is one of the regional polio service awardee for this year, the last year pala, for last year. Congratulations, Joe. Nandun ka sa grupo, anong tawag nun? Elite group. And may the award inspire you. Based on your data, actually, your district has constantly been number 1 in giving to polio. And why is that? I think you know the reason. Huling hirit sa June. Actually, mag-ask kayo. Huling hirit sa June, magbibigay si Prid Rafi. So last year, etong 322,000, if you're saying 50,000 was the DDF, then cash contribution was 272,000. Sa 272,000 alone, 140,000 came from Prid Rafi. So your district, other Rotarians gave 132,000 plus. Now, mind you, I've been talking with past District Governor Benny Ricafort. In fact, yesterday I saw him. Ngayon din tumatawag because he will be featured in our newsletter. He has 2 pages all about him. So, alam ni Ricky yan kasi pinadala ko yung article na ginawa ng secretary ni Gov Benny plus the magazine. So you can ask him kasi magbibigay siya. Si Gov Mac Hermoso already gave $10,000 nung World Polio Day. And if you will look at the individuals giving to polio from your district, andyan din yung si CP Manny Reyes, amongst others, and marami pa. And I'd like to say I am expecting from the leaders of your district, not only Prid Rafi, pero ang dami, nandyan si June Farcon, di ba? So, walk the talk din si Gov June. Alam ko may EMGI siya. Andyan si Joe Santos, he promised to give to polio. So, kung isa-isahin ko, maraming magbibigay. And most importantly, the incoming Polio Plus coordinator, who is Gob Mariluco. So, ito yung rehearsal niya for next year. So, malalaman niya kung gaano kahirap humingi ng bayad para sa polio. Joke! Ganito yung kahirap. So, sana si Gob Marilu, alam niya gaano kahirap humingi ng DDF, tsaka humingi ng pera para sa polio. So, kailangan gamitin ni Gob Marilu yung experience niya because she gives a lot, pero recently she gave to endowment. However, I credit her during her second term as district governor. She gave, I think, $20,000 to polio. $10,000 kay Gob Tony, asawa niya. Tapos $10,000 sa kanya. So this year, wala pa akong nakita kay Gob Marilu. Baka pwede mo siyang ibulong para at least when I step down and she takes over, she can easily say, last year, I gave this much. Diba?
Tama.
Ano lang, Jo. Pati siguro.
Bukas na bukas tawagan ko sila, ma'am, especially Bob Benny.
Oo. So, si Gob
Feature pala siya. Feature pala siya.
Oo, mapi-feature siya. Two pages, Rick, no? Around 2 pages. Kay Gob Benny. And if you
Yes,
have pictures na alam mo, Jo, kasi yung picture na pinadala niya, yung profile pic naman, wala siyang picture na polio. Baka meron ka na
Sige,
project
ma'am.
na baka nakalimutan niya. You can send na lang to Ricky para maging 3 pages, o di ba? Bongga, baka maging 30,000 ang ibigay niya. Hindi, joke.
Sige.
So, thank you, Jo. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. Back to you.
Thank you, Gob, and thank you, Pipi Jo. Pipi Jo. And I think we have also one last polio report from District 3870. So maybe we can show them, and I'll be the one to report na lang, Gob. So, Tupe. Oops. Nabatay di 3870 wala. Meron kasi nakapost doon, wala ba? Tatlo lang sila.
Hindi, meron si
3870.
Bambi. Pero si
Si
Bambi
Bambi?
Saldava, 3850 at 70. One of those who sent. Yan.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, for monthly Polio Plus report for the month of April 2024 from District 3870 Gob. So for the number of Rotary clubs, they have 46 as of January 30, 2023. Number of Rotarians, they have decreased 1,000 from 1,476 to 1,227 members. Number of clubs giving to Polio Plus, as of now, they have 14, and number of 1,500 giving clubs, they have 3. Number of $1,000 giving individual for this Rotary year, they have none. Number of Polio Plus Society members, I think it's the same. Walang nag-increase. Cash contribution last year is $19,192. Now they have $11,317.95. Amount of DDF given to Polio last year, they have gave $5,000. Now wala pa, so we need to coordinate with them. And for the cash contribution, they have already $11,317.95. So that's it for District 3870 Go.
Thank you again, Ricky. And well, you will need to relay to Bambi on the following, no? We need to know if they will join the PPS mass induction. And then dito sa 1,500 giving clubs, isa na lang kulang to be at par. Kaya lang, yung number of clubs giving to polio, kulang pa. And then, yung cash contribution, so, yung population nila, they are 1,227 Rotarians. So, parang $10 per Rotarian, maging 12,270 na. di ba? If all Rotarians will give. Then DDF,
Yes,
pahingi mo kay Gov GG Go kasi AKS. By the way, yung mga may AKS dyan sa district, you can ask them to allot an amount for polio. Kasi yung AKS, you know naman, that's $250,000. Some of the AKS are donating by tranche, hindi yung isang buong amount, some of them. So last night I spoke to one AKS, si Amba of District 3820, Kaku Gov Amba. Ay, sabi ko, Amba, ano naman align, bigay ka sa polio, hindi lang lahat doon. Magbibigay, yun doon na lang niyan na malaman na pwede pala. So you may want, well, wala si Bambi eh. Pakisabi na lang if Gov Gigi would like to set aside an amount for polio.
yes, Gov.
So I think we covered a lot, and the districts missing here are District 3810, 3820, 3830, and 3850, and 3860. Tama?
Yes, Gov.
Sige.
Then
So,
I would to acknowledge also, we have here District Polio Coordinator Arnel from District 37A.
Arnel is here.
Sorry,
Maybe you can.
Hi, Arnel.
Good evening all.
Good evening.
DPM na ako siya.
Arnel, may I share what we discussed about your report? Kasi on the first slides we show that your district is doing better compared to how much they raise fund of the same period last year. Kumbaga 57,000 yata kayo ngayon, o 58, tapos last year parang 50. So, but then I pointed out that 58,000, 50,000 came from one individual. And we all know it was past District Governor Johnny Yu. So we'd like to have more Rotarians involved in polio giving. And I'd like to point out that your RIPR, Jennifer Scott, Director Jennifer Scott, is actually my team leader sa polio in Region 8, 9, 10, 10A, 10B, 10C. So we're under her. So nag-text siya sa akin, sabi ko, although she did not really push it during her speech, but she's monitoring on how your districts will end up in giving to polio. So we hope you will deliver the promise to do better this year. And na-surprise kami sa Polio Plus Society, 0.
Yeah,
Kahit governor, kahit ikaw or zero.
during sa term naman ni Governor Johnny Bero, you, so they got me, and I promise maybe we will. Kasi nag-strategize din naman district namin, Gov, totoo lang eh. So ayaw na masyado maapektuhan yung aming polhari. So ano lang kami, pag nalaman naman namin gano'n, ayaw naman namin ibadi masyado yung, basta importante may quota kami, doon lang muna kami nag-ano eh. Pag ano na, medyo daan-daan lang eh, medyo gano'n eh. So, yun ang aming true, alam naman ni Gobray David yun.
All right, sige. So si Gobray,
We promise, we will actually magpo-programa. Ngayon kasi nasa Paul Harris, sa society ako ng Ed Polio Society. So, doon ako magtatrabaho ngayon sa dadamihan namin ng society member ng Ed Polio.
okay, and May 16 is the mass induction. So if you would like to participate kahit 10 or 20, as long as may gustong magpa-induct by Brenda Cressy, we will have a certificate signed by her. So please inform Carla because we will make the corresponding slides per district.
Okay.
Hindi pwede yung last minute,
So,
yung
doon naman sa DDF, tulungan mo na lang. Eh kasi ang daming gastos masyado ni Gopol, alam mo na. So, tulungan mo na lang ako doon kay Gopol. Para sa DDF.
Sa DDF, andyan si DRF, andyan yung nyo, RRF si Penny Policarpio.
O pala, si Penny na lang.
Tapos hindi, si Ray David, alam niya kung magkanong gagamitin for the global grant. So he's very good. Your district is very good in global grants actually. And may cut off yan eh. Alam ni Gov Ray. Pakitanong na lang.
Sige, Gov.
But then I will get hold of the data, yung district fund analysis, para malaman mo magkano na lang natira.
Sige, Gov, please.
Para at least sa alam ni Gobre, alam pala ni Arnel magkano natira.
Sige, Gov. I need that. I need that. Sige,
Sige,
thank you.
sige. I'll give everyone, all the district polio coordinators, their district fund analysis. So I'm
Okay.
glad you were able to catch up para sa picture taking. Ricky,
Sige.
Yes, Gov.
anong next? Picture taking na?
Picture taking. Wala na bang o violent
Wala bang
reaction?
Q&A?
Question.
Walang bang violent reaction? Wala na, no?
Ikaw,
Gutom-
DPC
Number
Lu.
of Polio Plus Society lang.
Ah, si Carla pala. Polio Plus Society si Carla.
Yes.
Yan ako na. Flash ko na. Okay, for the number of Polio Plus Society as of April, for District 3770, 173. 3780, Gov, andyan si Arnel. Baka meron siya.
Sige.
Number. Para ma-add natin, for the District 3790, 120. Pero last year kasi, nasa 320 na. Baka yung need to, lang natin, update yung ating report for District 3790. And then for 3800, 453, 3810, 63, 3820, 186. Tapos si 3830, 215, si 3850 wala pang report, 3860, 304. Tama, Rick?
Yes. Nag-increase
3870.
kami. May i-report kan pag once nga na.
Tapos si 3870, 110. So with that total of 120 plus 453. $1,624. Tama. Kasi we are close to 2,000. So we need to to get the data of 3780, 3850, and additional for the May 16 Polio Plus Society virtual induction. It's a mass induction, so we encourage all the district na lahat ng mga bagong Polio Plus Society members ninyo, just coordinate sa akin para maisama natin dun sa ating mass induction. And our naman doon, and our guest speaker and inducting officer, si Brenda Crazy, who is the Global Polio Society Chair and Pass Rotary International Vice President. So that's all.
Pwede mo to i-post sa chat group natin sa Viber
Apa.
para makita din ng district governor na ito ang data so far for the Polio Plus Society. And sana maybe you can ask, amongst this number, who will be inducted? Lahat ba sila? Kunyari, 3770. Lahat ba ng 173 to be inducted? Or ilan lang sila?
Yung pong mga bago lang.
Ang mga bago. So, we need to define who will be inducted. Now, those who will be inducted, during, like what we did in the mass induction, may blank form, di ba? Ipakita natin. You will give us the name because we will print the names of the inductees to be given. Hindi na namin ibigay yung blank form kasi ang bilis, ang dali ipasa-pasa. We'll really print out the names of the inductees and give the form that is signed by Brenda Cressy. So we want to know out of, let's say, 173, ilan ang new. So mangyayari, etong number is the total number as of today. So we need to break it down. Old plus new equals blank. Di ba ganon?
Yes, go.
Okay. Sige.
Okay, pag
Thank you. Oh, 1624, malapit na.
Kasi go sa sa District 3790, 360 na kami last. Ay 320 na kami last year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Dapat.
So,
Sige.
kung 200, Annalisa will will make a follow-up as a Polio Plus Society.
if this happens, di ba nakikita mo yung mga gina-post sa Polio Plus Society Facebook page kay Kim
Mhm.
Walden? Sabi ko, ay, pinagmamalaki nila 100. Ang laki niya, no?
Yes,
Eh,
Gov.
gulatin natin sila. Zone
Yes,
10 by May 16, gulpid, gulat, bang, ganon. Ganito pala sa Philippines, only in the Philippines. So let's do that. And of course, we will emphasize the leadership of the district governors, the district polio coordinators, and the district polio plus society coordinators. It belongs to them. Right? Okay na?
Okay na, Gob?
Okay na.
So I think
Picture.
that's it. Our wrap up our district polio coordinators meeting. So thank you, DPC Arnel, for catching up our meeting.
Sorry
So
for
ako yung nag-report sa ano mo kasi wala ka pa kasi. So yan.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we have another last group picture. So Topic can maybe can do our or ako na lang. Sige. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
So Gomian, do
Yes.
you have closing message?
Wala na. Sobra ko ng dakdak. Ano na sila?
So
Thank you everyone.
Nara ko
Yeah,
announcement
thank you,
Gob isa.
Mamimiss ko kayo.
Tapos ka namin, Gob.
Mami, ay, do not wag mo salitang tapos. Malay mo, nandyan ako.
Naman
Nandyan
talaga.
ako.
Nandiyan
Si
ka naman
Marino
palagi
palagi, man, sabi ko, I got your back. Malay mo, nandyan lang ako sa likod ng EPNC staff.
Yeah. So thank you so much, and I would like
Thank
to
you.
inform everyone to please send your polio activities so that we can feature in our newsletters. DPC Lo, grabe, she's very diligent in sending their polio activities, even though kahit hindi polio activities, as long as they are wearing polio shirts, so they are creating polio awareness. So yun. So DPC Ana, PPSC, DPPSC Ana, so Joe and maybe classmate Arnel. So please, if you have a project that Rotarians wearing polio shirts, so please send it to me para ma-feature natin sa newsletter.
Okay.
Gob, i-unmute Gob.
All right. Sabi ko, all right. Good night. See you on May.
Good
See you.
night. Good night.
Yeah, good night. Singapore or wherever.
Good night.
Good
all.
night.
Bye. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Bye, good night.
Bye-bye. Good
Thank you for
night.
the Zoom.
Thank you
Thank you,
po.
classmate Carla.
Bye.
Good night, classmate Rick.
Ay, pwede tayong mag-usap mo ng tatlo?
Bye. Ano yun?
Yeah.
Thank you for the Zoom. Hindi na tatlo.
Gob, about kang EPNC Marilu.
Oh.
Actually,
Hindi ako ng appointment letter last night.
thank you.
Oo.
Classmate Carla, paki-unmute.
Unmute, Carl.
Please unmute. Actually, ganito.
Recorded pa.
Ah.
Recorded
The
pa?
meeting is being recorded pa.